According to Google, this AI monk who doesn't even exist makes up to $100,000 per month. He's managed to grow multiple accounts to millions of followers using realistic AI-generated videos. So I built free tools to help you reverse engineer this system and create similar viral videos.
Two people can walk through the same day, breathe the same air, face the same world.
I'm gonna teach you the exact process these accounts use to create viral videos and give you all the tools, prompts, and methods you need to create your first one today. And it all starts with the character image. As you can see, this video has a well-designed character and realistic environments, which is a huge reason it feels so believable. And this is where my first tool comes in. It helps you reverse engineer any AI character you like. Here's how it works. First, find a video you like and take a clean screenshot of the character. Then head back to my tool, upload the image, and click Analyze. The AI will start working, and within a few seconds, you'll get this detailed prompt. So what the tool basically did was analyze the image and convert everything it sees into a detailed text prompt that you can use to recreate a similar style. Now the goal is to turn that prompt into a realistic character image. To do that, I like using OpenArt because it's my favorite AI tool and gives you access to all the major image and video models under one subscription. Right here, make sure to select GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana 2 as your image model. In my opinion, these currently produce the most realistic results. Then simply paste the prompt into the prompt box, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for short-form videos, and hit Generate. And in under a minute, you'll have a super realistic character image. Just look how good that turned out. I also generated the exact same prompt using Nano Banana 2. The result looks just as impressive. Another thing I really like is that you can easily generate new variations while keeping the same character. For example, you can change the weather, the outfit, or make the character hold a different object. Let's say I want him to hold a cup of coffee while talking. All I have to do is drag the image into the prompt box to use it as a reference, then write a prompt like preserve subject identity, facial expression, and environment 100%. Only make him hold a cup of coffee with both hands. Hit Generate again, and just like that, he's now holding a cup of coffee while everything else stays exactly the same. So now comes the next step, which is writing the script. And I always recommend not reinventing the wheel. If these videos are getting millions of views, it means the formula they're using is clearly working. So why not use it as a template? To do that, copy the link of a successful video you like, then head over to this free Instagram Reels transcript generator and paste in the link to extract the exact script used in that video. This is incredibly powerful because you now have a proven script structure you can use as a template for your own content. And this is where my second tool becomes really useful. First, paste the original script into this box. Then, write the new video idea you have in mind. It can be similar to the original video or something completely different. Once you've filled in both sections, click this button and wait a few seconds. What the tool does is first analyze the original script structure and writing style, then use it as a template to write a brand new script based on that same winning formula. And trust me, this will save you hours of writing scripts yourself. Alright, now comes the fun part, where we turn both the script and the character image into a realistic AI video. But before we do that, I know you're probably wondering how these accounts are pulling in such crazy numbers every month. Well, it's because they're selling digital products, courses, paid communities, and more, while running multiple AI influencer accounts at the same time. Because the more accounts you test, the higher your chances of finding a winning niche much faster. However, managing multiple accounts through the same browser can mix cookies, sessions, and device fingerprints, which increases the risk of your accounts getting restricted. And this is exactly why Octo Browser is useful. Octo is an advanced anti-detect browser that allows you to manage multiple accounts from one device, where each profile has its own cookies, login sessions, proxy connection, browser settings, and unique digital fingerprint. This makes every profile operate like a separate browsing environment. Instead of having all your accounts connected through the same browser, you can create profiles quickly using templates or manually adjust more than 50 fingerprint parameters. Octo also includes a built-in proxy shop with verified providers selected by their team. You can purchase traffic and connect proxies directly inside the browser, with discounts available for larger volumes. For security, Octo offers end-to-end encrypted profile passwords, two-factor authentication, and an architecture designed to resist attacks. According to Octo, they have never had a data leak throughout the company's history. And if you work with a team, Octo includes role management, access control, profile transfers, and activity history, so team members can manage accounts without sharing passwords. Plans start at just €7 per month, and you can choose a plan based on how many profiles and team members you need. So whether you are managing AI influencers, affiliate marketing accounts, e-commerce stores, or client projects, Octo gives you one place to manage everything more safely. You can try Octo Browser using the link below. And if you are a new user, use my promo code you see on screen to get 4 days of the starter subscription for free. Alright, so now we're going to turn the script we generated into a realistic voiceover. And in my opinion, there's no better tool for that than ElevenLabs. You can either choose a voice from their huge voice library, or if you want to stand out, create your own custom voice from scratch. All you have to do is describe the type of voice you want using a text prompt. Ideally, it should match the character you're using, like our monk for example. The easiest way to do that is by giving your character image to Claude and asking it to generate an ElevenLabs voice prompt that matches the character perfectly. Then simply copy that prompt, paste it into ElevenLabs, and click Generate Voice. You'll get 3 different voices to choose from, so listen to each one, pick your favorite, and save it. After that, head over to the text-to-speech section. Make sure your new voice is selected, paste in your script, click Generate, and just like that, your voiceover is ready and sounds incredibly realistic.
A distracted person is profitable. A restless person is profitable.
Which means it's finally time to create the video. To do that, we'll use a tool called HeyGen, and the process is actually very simple. Inside HeyGen, head over to the Avatar section and click Quick Create. Make sure Photo to Video is selected, then upload the image we generated earlier in OpenArt. Once that's done, click on this arrow here and upload the voiceover we generated in ElevenLabs. And that's pretty much it. The only thing left to do is click Generate and wait a few moments for the video to finish. Alright, it's done. Let's check it out.
My friend, you must understand this. We do not experience life. We experience the life.
I mean, that's honestly impressive. The realism looks incredible. The lip sync is very accurate, and it only took us a few minutes to create. From here, simply download the video, and if needed, bring it into an editor like CapCut to trim it, add captions, background music, and sound effects. And just like that, your AI video is ready to publish.
My friend, you must understand this. We do not experience life. We experience the life we choose to focus on. 2 people can walk through the same day, breathe the same air, face the same world, and live completely different lives inside their mind. Because life is not what happens. Life is where your attention rests.